Talofa and welcome to another episode of Kuka, Taste of Beautiful Samoa.
That's right, we're in the big island of Savaii, home to big personality, big flavors, and big seafood.
That's right, we're going to be checking out all the local seafood here in Savaii. Our adventure kicks off at the Salilonga markets because we're on the hunt for a local delicacy known as fe'e. Alright guys, here we are at the fish market and this is what we are after. So fe'e in Samoan means octopus and this is what we're going to be getting today. So we're going to be out, I think we're going to be fishing for this as well, aren't we?
Yes, we will be going with a local fisherman to get the fe'e, but this is plan B, you know, just buy it from the Salilonga market so we're safe.
We never know what's going to happen. We might get bad tide or we might not be able to catch it, but it's always a safe bet to come down, let the locals do the fishing and we'll grab it from here. So we'll go pick up a couple today just to make sure we have some for the table. The good thing about coming to the markets is you know it's fresh. So this was caught early this morning, probably about 2 or 3 a.m. It's put in ice, just dropped straight down to the market. So it's really fresh and it's great to have. Okay, yeah, okay.
Yes team, we have our fe'e, now it's time to go put it on Makeki online.
Hi. No, now we're gonna go see our chef. He's gonna cook it up for us. Let's go. Okay, so we went out Whaongoka. It's a bit rough today and the tide's pretty high, so luckily we did manage to catch one.
I told you we should have bought that one at the Makeki. We got it now.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
Because we got a lot of hungry people waiting for us, so we should probably get back.
Yeah, I think it's time to get back on land. We'll see you guys next to the umu. Okay guys, we are here at the beautiful Amoa resort in Savaii and I have died and gone to Pacific heaven. This is amazing. Look at all the food we have here. We've got our taro, our breadfruit, and most importantly, we have our fe'e, or our octopus for you non-Samoan speakers. This is gonna be amazing.
Yes guys, we're excited to cook the fe'e and here to help us is Chef Jubilee. Jubilee, what is the first process of what we're gonna make?
What do we do first? Chef?
We go and barbecue the fe'e in the umu.
Okay.
The Samoan style.
Little barbecue?
Huh?
Hey, let's
okay,
go.
guys. Yeah.
Look at that, straight on the rocks.
Yeah. Say long alam umaka ko baile ko kongor but the water they stay inside the afterwards.
I'm told the better you are at cooking with the umu, the shorter your tongs.
Chef Jubilee, lele nga chef hoy.
Ulawa ako ang ile kon ko sanga. I feel flavor le mako ainga. Or kamalo fa fe'e. Mafaanga la nga le kamo faya ko ya. Isele manga yo kamalo ka sami.
Okay guys, so we have our umu, it's cooking away. It's been expertly prepared by the boys in the back here. And our fe'e is just still cooking. It's starting to get nice and dark. And chef, how do we know when it's cooked? How do you know when it's all done?
When the color they coming black, and the fe'e is ready. That's why they create this one. It's like a barbecue.
Yeah.
It's okay. This one is ready.
Okay. What main ingredients if ang finger ka kochal?
So ole main ingredients sa kamalia, ole pepe. Ole fangainga le pepe waele, mele pepe umaronga kipi. Ia onga mix fa kasile mar pepe, mal masimo. Ia onga peklo le ko le ka ko lang fa imala ulu. Im fanga ko nga fi de peselu ia onga avelo le mo fa avela. Ia. Ois. Lela kipi fe.
Okay. Learn.
Yeah.
We like the Savaiian way. Come on, natural, straight from the ocean. Feed it up, now cut it up, and I can't wait to eat it up. I understand that the other significant ingredients or kaya lama or the ink within the fe'e. Can you tell us more about that? You have to be very careful when you get it out so you don't, wasted.
This is the ink of
There
the
it is.
fe'e. This is the one that you add inside the fe'e. That's why they coming black color.
Yeah,
Uh,
the flavor.
yeah, the flavor, so nice. You can't use the teeth of the fe'e.
Yeah.
You
So
can't
where are the
use
teeth? Where are the
This
teeth?
one.
It's inside the mouth.
Yeah. O lewa mai au kipi de fe'e ah. Le la fakali add fakasi mal fe'e kong. O mix fakasi la ia. Yang saung le add lunga lau fa I mal ulu.
Okay.
Okay.
So here we go. So we're adding the
Yeah.
coconut cream to the octopus to the fe'e.
Yeah.
It's all going in together.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow.
Okay, so this is the last of the fe'e, the ink of the fe'e. It's going in now, and we're just adding it. It's making this. Oh wow. Okay. It's going really, really dark now.
Yeah.
It's
You know, the other things is you can add in onions and aveleng yangi.
Phải nga avedang yang ni masima.
Masima.
Penga.
But we're going natural.
But
yeah.
ole skio wa uia mara u orang aku kai kamale fai ai fe ele se singa kamale ma fai pop ngal pepe em fai fa masi mar ka kapta vela le fe ele mo fai ad kemi ngi ngai ka kai ele mo fai ngo ai le fai ai pe a ungo e ka kam fai ngo ai pe fa masi ma yang ad le ngai
So what do we do now, chef?
le la ka ko nga ia ko pe ale le afi finga le fai ai fe le umalonga fifi yonga avelo le ka le
No, seriously, this is going to be really exciting. This is the first time I've ever made fe'e in a umu, so it's going to be cool to see how it comes out. But I know that chef's made some good stuff for us, so it's going to be good, huh?
It's good.
Yeah. All right, guys, what a day it's been. We were up early getting fe'e. We went to the market. We went out fishing. We managed to get some out there, which was,
We got a baby one.
I mean, yeah, well, we got fe'e from Savaii. That's the main thing. And now we are ready to do the fun part, which is the eating. Man, I'm excited. How about you?
I think we should jump straight into it.
I like it. I like it. Let's grab this and see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh, this is so good. This fe'e is just so rich. It's got this really smoky flavor from just the umu being inside, and all that heat and all that smoke has just come in, and I think it's a combination of the ink as well with the fe'e, but this is absolutely cooked to perfection. I wish you guys had smell-o-vision so you could just smell how amazing this is. What do you think, man? It's pretty great, right?
I think this fe'e will go down in the history as the best fe'e in the entire universe.
Oh, man.
Not because we made it, no, because it's good and it's here to survive.
All right, guys, I highly recommend that you try some fe'e out of the umu. This stuff is amazing. It's got those really rich flavors, and I know that you can make this in a pot. You can just get octopus and you can mix it up and make it in the oven. But if you want to have traditional food, if you want that really unique flavor, if you want to try something a little bit different, this is the way to go, because this stuff is absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah, good spot, my friend. Been going around Samoa, eating all this good food, amazing people. Got to experience a lot of the amazing culture that I love so much about Samoa. That was really fun. I think that was probably the most exciting part for me, not only eating food, but I get to experience just what Samoan food culture is all about. Like doing the fa'ausi.
Sorry, that was full on.
It was.
If you can't handle the heat, get out of the Kuka.
I tell you the best though,
What?
that fe'e, man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh wow, I had
You should
nightmares
have
about that
eaten
for
the
weeks.
kalo. I reckon you should. No, I think it wasn't the choking on the share. It was everyone laughing at you while you were choking. Too sure.
Oh man,
Too sure.
good Lord, that was, yeah, Lord nearly came and got me that morning.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, silly. Oh man.
Good times, good times.
I tell you what,
What?
we knew it had to end at some point though, eh?
I know. I'm gonna miss you, bro.
I missed you too, man.
It's been a good time. Good times. I'll see you around the block. Oh, but hey, you want another cake?
Oh yeah, man, come on. Oh, they're still so good. We'll see you guys next time on Kuka. Taste of Beautiful Samoa.
Oh, can we put the whole thing in your mouth again?
I can try.
Okay.
Hey, I heard they're filming season 2 of Kawhaonga soon.
Really?
Yeah, man.
You think they hire us?
So there's no way they'd hire us.
Yeah.
Wouldn't happen in a million years. Or would they?
Yeah, there's no way.
No way, no way.
Nah, no way.
No, it wouldn't happen.